The most common forms of public transportation here in Paris are the metro, bus, tram and Velib, or the so-called bike sharing. Velib is a bike sharing program in Paris that allows residents and visitors to rent bicycles for short-term use. It provides a convenient and eco-friendly way to explore the city and get around. The Velib system consists of numerous bike stations located throughout Paris, making it easy to find and return bikes at different locations. Users can access the bikes by purchasing a short-term subscription or using a credit card at the bike stations. The bikes are designed for urban commuting, with adjustable seats and baskets for carrying personal belongings. Velib is a popular option for short trips, providing a flexible and efficient mode of transportation while also promoting sustainable mobility in the city. The Paris Metro is an extensive underground subway system that serves as a vital mode of transportation in the city. It is known for its efficiency, speed, and wide coverage, making it a convenient way to travel around Paris. The metro consists of multiple lines, each identified by a number and color, and it connects various neighborhoods, tourist attractions, and transportation hubs throughout the city. The stations are well marked and easily accessible, with entrances often indicated by the iconic Art Nouveau-style metro signs. Inside the stations, there are ticket booths and vending machines for purchasing tickets or passes. The trains are frequent and run from early morning until late at night, providing reliable transportation for both residents and visitors. With its extensive network and efficient service, the Paris Metro allows for easy navigation and exploration of the city's diverse neighborhoods and landmarks. Hôtel de Albr is a historic building located in the Marais district of Paris. It was originally constructed in the 16th century as a private mansion and has since been converted into a hotel. The building showcases traditional French Renaissance architectural elements with its elegant facade and intricate details. The Hôtel d'Albr offers a charming and intimate atmosphere, with a limited number of rooms and personalized service. The interior retains some of its original features, including exposed wooden beams, ornate fireplaces, and period furnishings, adding to its unique character. This hotel offers a glimpse into the historical charm of Paris and provides a cozy and memorable stay for visitors. Place des Vosges is a historic square, located in the Marais district of Paris. It is considered one of the most beautiful and oldest squares in the city. The square was originally known as Place Royale, and was built in the early 17th century during the reign of King Henry IV. It features a symmetrical layout with elegant red brick buildings surrounding a central garden. The buildings, with their distinctive arcades and steep slate roofs, add to the square's charm and architectural appeal. The central garden is adorned with manicured lawns, flower beds, and mature trees, providing a tranquil and picturesque setting. This is a popular gathering spot for locals and tourists alike, offering plenty of benches to relax and enjoy the surroundings. The Louver Museum, located in the first arrondissement of Paris, is one of the largest and most famous art museums in the world. Housed in the historic Louvre Palace, the museum showcases a vast collection of artworks spanning thousands of years. From ancient civilizations to the 19th century, it is home to iconic masterpieces such as the Mona Lisa, Venus de Milo, and Winged Victory of Samothrace. The Louvre Museum also features collections of sculptures, decorative arts, and archaeological artifacts. With its grand architecture and extensive collection, the Louvre Museum is a cultural landmark that attracts millions of visitors each year. Square Louise Michel is a public square, located in the 18th arrondissement of Paris, France. It is named after Louise Michel, a prominent French anarchist and feminist. The square features green spaces, trees, and benches, providing a peaceful and pleasant area for relaxation. It is a popular spot for locals and visitors to enjoy a leisurely stroll, have a picnic, or simply soak in the atmosphere. Square Louise Michel also offers a playground for children to play and enjoy outdoor activities. The square is situated in the Montmartre neighborhood, known for its artistic history and charming streets. It is worth a visit to experience the tranquil ambience and enjoy the surrounding area. the Sacre Basilica, located in the Montmartre. It is a famous landmark and one of the most recognizable symbols of the city. It is a Roman Catholic church known for its stunning architecture and panoramic views of Paris. The basilica was built between 1875 and 1914 and is characterized by its wide. The highlight of a visit to the Sacre Basilica is ascending to the dome, where you can enjoy breathtaking views of the city from the highest point in Montmartre. The basilica is also a place of worship, and visitors are expected to dress modestly and maintain a respectful demeanor. It is a popular attraction in Paris, attracting millions of visitors each year who come to admire its beauty and enjoy the panoramic views it offers. Part 1 concludes. Get ready for an exciting Part 2. Thank you for watching.